Movable Inc. serves B2C brands that are large enterprise brands, and we work with huge enterprise names such as Starbucks, Nike, and Hilton. And today I'd estimate probably about half of our marketing dollars go to support our events program.
Right now, events are one of the most important tactics in our marketing toolkit. They're one of the most important ways that we connect with our clients, prospects, and partners.
Events are a large part of our sales process here at Movable Inc. For me, that's my favorite time to meet people face to face and understand how we're going to help them.
The Think Summit is the mother of all of our events. And what's especially powerful is when our clients are really selling on our behalf and talking to our prospects about how much they love us.
Since we launched our own conference, we've actually generated or influenced $4.63 million in business, and we're responsible for 99 opportunities. We expanded our series to include a roadshow. The Email Transformation Tour was started in January of 2017. We hit 15 cities. This year we're hitting 25 across the world. What I loved about Splash was that they were really thinking about two sides of the house. The ability to reflect your brand really well on a template and the ability to measure how the event performed.
I'm in the Splash platform on a daily basis, whether it's checking RSVP lists for each of my events, creating new Splash pages, or creating emails on a weekly basis that I send out to our attendees.
Splash helps us measure the impact of our events beyond just the vanity metrics of how many people saw these invites, RSVP'd, and showed up.
It very easily lets us track what the ROI is going to be for that event, and it's been awesome to take to our Chief Financial Officer to justify expanding our events program, and all of this we couldn't have done without Splash.